told you that I loved you.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I recently posted how I style my curtain bangs. If you guys missed that one, I'll leave it right here. Essentially what I did is I went from wet to dry. This is what it looks like. The only thing I did different today is that I added some waves. I want to add on to that video and create 3 easy hairstyles for curtain bangs. No one likes a long introduction, so let's get into it. For the first hairstyle, I'll be creating half updo with a scrunchie. I want to do something a little bit different with this hairstyle, so I'll be creating a zigzag part. I don't know if you guys remember that in the early 2000s, but that is what I'll be doing today. Well, at least attempting. I'm using a wide tooth comb, but I would actually use a rat tail comb just because it would be easier and more efficient. So if you have that, I would totally do that instead. But this is manageable.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between.
Did I do it? Maybe. Did I? Kind of.
It's okay that we change, but it feels kind of strange that you're not in my life.
I kind of did it. All right, I think I did it. I only did it 3 times, so 1, 2, 3, and then everything else I'm just going to comb back. So next, from the ear, I'm going to take all the hair on both sides and just grab everything like this. And then I'm going to take the bangs and any pieces that frame my face. I'm going to let them hang out. And then with a brush, I'm just going to brush the top part back and make it a little more smooth. It doesn't have to be perfect. I actually like the more messy look. All right, that was a struggle. I don't have a mirror in front of me. I'm literally just looking at the camera, hoping for the best. But what I like to do is I like using a ponytail first before a scrunchie just to secure everything, since I do have a lot of hair. So I'm going to do that. Since I lost a little bit of volume at the crown, I'm just going to pull it out just like that, and then I'll add the scrunchie. I feel like if I do black, you won't see it. So maybe I should do white. All right, this is my first easy hairstyle. Super cute and playful. The second easy hairstyle is using a French pen. So I'm going to take the half updo down. I'm gonna go back to a middle part. So essentially you're going to put your hair up in a ponytail, and you're going to twist in one direction with all of your hair and just following it in the motion that it's going in. So like this. And then you wrap it all the way around, and then you're going to put the ends underneath, and then I'm going to open my bun slightly so it's not as tight. And then with the French pin, I'm going to slide it in. It's okay if it's a bit messy. I actually prefer that way, something not as uptight. And then if you want to, you can always add some hairspray. But that's the look. Very simple and of course easy. This is something that I would do when I want my hair off my neck and it's like really hot that day. Or maybe this is 2nd, 3rd day hair and it's not looking that great and you just want to like pull it up and not have to worry about it. This is definitely a go-to. And the third easy hairstyle is a ponytail with the side part. So if you guys prefer side parts, this one's for you. With my comb, I'm going to change my part again. Thinking probably around here. Maybe that could be a bit straighter. There we go. Then again, I'm going to keep my bangs in the front and any smaller pieces, and then pull everything towards the back in a ponytail. So this is going to be a medium height ponytail, so it's not going to be so close and low right here, and also not high like up here. Just right in between. This one, I want it to be more sleek. So I'm going to pull everything back really tight and smooth, just like this. If you want it to be a little more sleek, you can always take a piece of your hair and wrap it around the ponytail so you can't see it. And I love this look because it makes it look very sleek and modern. And then you can just bobby pin it to the rest of your ponytail. For something like this, I would definitely hairspray and really make sure all of your baby hairs are down. And even your bangs, I would hairspray just because they're probably going to be moving around a lot. And that's it for the third look. Very sleek, but still fun and flirty. I hope you guys enjoyed those 3 easy hairstyles with curtain bangs. Please let me know in the comments below what other hair content would you like to see from me. And if you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more fashion and beauty content. I'll see you in another video. Bye!